You can create your Google People card. Now you can use this to add me to search on Google. So before we start, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up your Google Chrome. After you do so, just search for add me to Google. And after you've done that, if you scroll down, you will see an option to add you to Google. After you tap on it, you'll just have to fill out your information. If you don't find it, you can just go to About Me too. Just go to About Me section. And after About Me opens up, you can just fill your data right here. And after you've done that, you will have submitted your Google People card. And if that does not work, you can just scroll down. You can search for a link called add me to search, and after you do so, you can repeat the same process and you'll have submitted the form for that too. And that will basically create your Google People card, guys. And that is all for the video. Stay tuned for more. Bye bye, take care.